Hello and welcome to another episode of Borg Tries to Fix It. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. We've actually had some trouble getting parts. Like everything else in the world, everything's delayed. But anyway, something I didn't think I was going to have to do popped up, and so I thought I'd film a short video on it. So anyway, let me show you the issue I'm having, and then hopefully today we'll be fixing it. Alright, so here you see 3 steering boxes. This one was the one that was on the car, and I don't know if you can see down here, I broke off one of the bolts trying to get it off and couldn't get that out. So we bought this one here. This one is a remanufactured unit, and the issue was I had that on the car. I went to hook it up to the steering, and the issue was that this wouldn't go on far enough to allow it to meet up properly with the steering, and we were binding on the frame. So first I tried getting another one of these, thinking, oh, maybe it's something, you know, worn or something. No change. So before I return this, I decided let's make sure we can make something work. This is an aftermarket unit from Classic Performance, or CPP. Hopefully this will work. So what we're going to do today is bolt that up to the car and bolt it up to the steering, and let's see if everything works. So let's do this. So got the rag wheel on here already, and the bolts are pretty much here. Luckily I have this nice sway bar to kind of rest things on, because this thing is not freaking light. Okay. All right. Now you are supposed to torque these to 80 foot-pounds. So let's do that. Got it? Okay, close enough. Close enough. All right. Alright, so I already centered this before I put it on the car, so I kind of know where it's supposed to be with these things facing up. Now this only goes on one way because of the taper. And we'll move that out of the way. And it has little flat spots, so technically this should point straight forward since we're in the, Alright. So that's as far as I got last time. Actually, I got a little bit further. I tried banging on it and everything, but not bolt. Okay. So. Let me show you here a little something I thought of when I was trying to get the other one up further. So, this is going to want to turn when you torque it. So what you can do is put a huge socket over it. And then, since you're tightening, it's going to want to go this way. And you put an extension on in there, and that'll keep it from turning. So now, you can, put a lot of torque on this to get that up all the way. Alright. Okay, so 200 foot-pounds on the Pitman arm nut. I'm just going to have to guess because I don't have a torque wrench that goes up to 200 foot-pounds. Let's go one more. I got this. Okay, that's gotta be enough. Okay. Now, let's see. All right, it clears. Thank goodness. Whew. All right. So, that worked. Yeah. So that's done. Other than I lost a nut for the idler arm over here that I'll have to replace. Next time I go to the hardware store, I'll get one. Anyway, so that's it for that. All right, so good news. The engine is going to be done within the next couple of weeks at the machine shop. So we're going to have a lot of engine content coming up soon. And I'm not sure when it's going to be, but this, which everybody's seen in the background, this is my Triumph, 1973. It's having some issues. Why don't I show you? So, every time you start it and run it for a while, it is bending this push rod right here, and only this push rod right here. Let me show you. Here are the first two, and that would be the third. So at some point, this head is coming off to see what the deal is with that valve. Probably the valve's bent or something and it won't go down, because it was running intermittently, so it might be a lube issue that was causing it, and it bent, and it's bent just enough that every once in a while, and when the engine's cold, that's when it does it. So anyway, that's coming up at some point, and I'll make sure I film that. And when I do film that, I'll do a complete walk around of the Triumph, since you guys haven't really seen that car, because I've been so focused on the Cutlass and my other vehicles, which seem to always break down. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you like this one. I'm actually relieved that I finally got that steering thing done. I was really worried, you know, that no matter what I put on there, it was going to do that. But anyway, that's done. No idea what's going to be next, be it the motor on the Cutlass, if that comes back, or maybe playing with the Triumph a little bit, or who knows, something else on the Cutlass. Maybe, you know, put those front wheels on and get it on the ground and play with the alignment and everything. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.